Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best flower resin kit is probably one of the most creative and fulfilling hobbies you can pick up. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of flower resin kits, exploring what makes them so special and why they're a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. We'll cover everything from the essential tools and materials to the techniques you need to create stunning, long-lasting art pieces. Get ready to transform your favorite flowers into beautiful, timeless treasures. Number 5. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium epoxy resin kit. It provides a glass-like finish and prevents yellowing over time. Perfect for various DIY projects like art, tabletops, and jewelry. Say goodbye to bubbles and uneven finishes. This advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically, ensuring a flawless result. It's designed for a smooth, crystal clear finish. This epoxy resin is food-safe, low-odor, and non-toxic. It's safe for both home and professional use, and it's also environmentally friendly when used as directed. It cures in just 24 hours, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. The product is also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your creations last for years. This 2-part epoxy resin kit is easy to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Upgrade your art with this amazing product. What we like. This resin is designed to be bubble-free, ensuring a flawless finish every time. It's also food-safe and cures quickly, saving you time. If you're a beginner or a pro looking for a reliable, easy-to-use resin for various projects like jewelry or coasters, you should consider this. What people say. The molds are easy to use and the resin came out of them easily. The kit includes everything you need to get started. The variety of flowers is great. Number 4. Cruzix 140 PCS Dried Pressed Flowers Kit. This kit contains 140 pieces of natural pressed flowers and greenery. They maintain their color, shape, and scent, making them perfect for crafts or decorations. It's a thoughtful gift for any craft enthusiast. The flowers come in a variety of vibrant colors, perfect for scrapbooking, resin projects, and more. You can use them to create unique items like jewelry, phone cases, and nail art. The colors will immediately highlight your creation. The flowers are vacuum sealed to prevent damage during shipping. This packaging ensures each flower arrives intact. The individual packs make it convenient to use for your projects. Handle the dried flowers with care when placing them in resin molds. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent the colors from fading. This will help preserve the beauty of your creations. If you receive any damaged flowers or a broken package, please contact us. We promise to send you a replacement within 24 hours, free of charge. We are here to help you. What we like. These pressed flowers offer a wide variety of colors and are carefully sealed to prevent damage. If you're looking to add a natural, colorful touch to your resin art, scrapbooking, or jewelry, you should consider this. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including the resin, hardener, molds, and flowers. The molds are easy to use and the finished products look great. The flowers are beautiful and add a nice touch to the finished resin pieces. Number 3. Unicone Art 1-gallon Epoxy Resin Kit. With this Unicone Art Craft resin, your creations will shine with crystal clear brilliance. It's protected from UV damage, ensuring your art endures beautifully. The 1:1 casting resin formula, with 0.5 gallon of resin and 0.5 gallon of hardener, guarantees a bubble-free finish every time. This kit is BPA and VOC-free, making it safe and easy to use. Craft without the worry of harmful fumes or odors. This premium clear epoxy resin is beginner-friendly, yet delivers expert-level clarity and shine. You'll love working with it. Transform ordinary objects into extraordinary masterpieces. This non-toxic liquid glass epoxy resin opens up endless possibilities. From geodes to jewelry, the options are limitless. Unicone Art resin is meticulously crafted by artists, ensuring the highest standards of quality. You can trust in the reliability and excellence of this epoxy resin kit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this is the perfect gift. It delivers crystal clear, durable results with an anti-yellowing formula. It's easy to mix, non-toxic, and low odor, ideal for various projects. What we like. This resin is crystal clear, non-toxic, and versatile, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. If you're looking for a resin that's easy to mix and delivers expert-level clarity and shine for wood finishes, flower preservation, or jewelry, you should consider this. What people say. I have been working with this resin for the last few months and I'm really happy with it. I find it easy to work with, and as I have been learning and expanding my knowledge of pouring resin, I have found this resin really delivers in regards to clarity in finished pieces. It cures quickly and very hard. Number 2. PUDUO 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Introducing the PUDUO Epoxy Resin, perfect for all your artistic creations. This crystal clear resin provides long-lasting results for wood finishes and various other applications. The kit includes everything you need: a pair of pumps, 64 ounces of resin, and hardener. It's designed specifically for resin art projects, making it easy to get started. This unique resin cures quickly, allowing you to remove your casting within 8 hours and fully cure it in just one day. It saves you time and allows you to see your results faster. The straightforward process involves mixing 1 part resin with 1 part hardener, giving you 45 minutes of work time at room temperature. There's no confusion, just easy application. This resin is amazing for casting, doming, resin art, jewelry, and more. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. We offer a 1-year free replacement and lifetime free technical support. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This epoxy resin cures quickly, is easy to use, and provides a crystal clear finish. If you're an artist looking for a fast curing resin for coating, casting, or jewelry making, and want to finish your work in a day, you should consider this. What people say. It is very easy to use. It is definitely self-leveling. It has little to no bubbles, and the few bubbles you have are easy to remove with heat gun. Number 1. Craft Resin 1.5 Gallon Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit. Want to create stunning art pieces with deep, clear layers? This kit allows for single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep. It delivers a beautiful, glass-like finish, saving you time and effort. Tired of bubbles ruining your projects? This low-viscosity formula releases air bubbles easily and provides a longer working time. It ensures a smooth, consistent finish every time. Safety is a priority. This epoxy resin is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and food-grade. It's perfect for both home and professional use, ensuring a safe and eco-friendly experience. Need a durable finish? This resin cures in just 48 hours and is heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It guarantees a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that will last for years. New to resin art? This kit is perfect for beginners and includes everything you need. It comes with clear resin, hardener, mixing stick, pumps, gloves, and a manual, making your projects a breeze. What we like. This resin allows for deep pours up to 2 inches, is bubble-free, and food-safe. If you're looking to create river tables or other projects that require a deep pour with a stunning finish, you should consider this. What people say. Clarity is good, colors mix well and are beautiful when swirled into this epoxy resin, hardens in about 2 days, economical, doesn't smell or have VOCs, and doesn't have bubbles, no need to pop or apply heat. If you follow the directions as stated, it works perfect. It mixes thin as deep pour epoxy should. I had no air bubbles since I had stirred it slowly by hand. Easy to use with great instructions. The look when hard was very clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.